What's going on, guys? Kind of a crazy day in the market. We did have Jerome Powell speaking today, along with Mr. Chuck Schumer. PPI numbers or data, was that what was coming out today? Market did shoot up pre-market. We looked really, really good. Market opened up very, very hot. There was a lot of movers early on in the morning time, and then we kind of had a slow fade. A lot of stocks were red today. Okay, so a lot. Nothing to be concerned about. If you guys are holding long term, you have to look at the big macro picture here. Okay, the Nasdaq and the IWM for the most part on the IWM. Ever since May, the middle of May 15th, right around that area, we've pretty much been going straight up. So if the Nasdaq wants to take a little bit of a breather, some of these stocks that have had really big run-ups are going to get hit. So if you're a long-term investor, nothing to really worry about. You might not want to be checking your P&L on the daily. However, if you're a trader, an intraday trader or a short-term swing trader, you're going to want to manage your trades and you're going to want to pick your spots and go with the flow. So if the overall market is pressing higher, however stocks are selling off, you're not really going to want to just jump long when the stocks are selling off. Okay, you kind of want to go with the flow. So Tesla was down $15.16 today. 2 points. 2 points, around 2 points, closed at $653. So a couple of things that we need to look for on Tesla. Short-term wise, meaning, day trading and or short-term swing trading, Tesla's lost a short bull sentiment. Okay, we lost a 5-day, 10-day, and the 20-day moving average here. Next area of support that we're looking for here on Tesla is going to be the 100-day at, what is this, the 100? Yeah, the 100 and the 50 EMA, okay, around 648. However, we know that Tesla doesn't really need any sort of catalyst to get it going 20, 30, 40, 50 points to the upside. Obviously, for me, I'm still looking for these big breaks. 686, there's going to be a sneaky area from 686 to 694, 10 points in that area. Obviously, the big macro trade is going to be over 700. Over 706 can start that leg up into the 750s and 775s. That's obviously the trade that a lot of traders are looking for. They're looking for Tesla to reclaim that $700 level to start that next leg up. That's all going to depend on the overall market in the growth and the tech sector, and what the triple Qs are doing. Okay, if the triple Qs want to take a break and Tesla wants to continue to slide to the downside, there is an area of opportunity that we can either short and or play it to the downside via put options. Okay, just know that Tesla doesn't need a reason to go down 5 points and back up 15. So with that being said, you want to make sure you're going as far in the money as you can or at the money. So I'm not saying, you're not going to do like, if you're going to put it to the short side, you're not going to go super deep in the money, 50 points. But I mean, in the money is in the money or right at the money. What we're looking at here is a break and a loss of to lose this whole area here. We want to confirm this channel to the downside going back on July 9th. This low price here is going to be $643, $644. I think that if Tesla starts losing that, it is going to find some support down here at around 635. So from a scalper's perspective, you have about 8, 9, 10 points worth of room if Tesla wants to get going to the downside. Obviously, if it does crack below that, we're going to find some heavy support here. We're back where this breakout all started, which is the 50-day moving average. That current price is sitting at $628. Now, if the market does want to take a breath, if there is any sort of correction and we don't start this next big leg up on the triple Qs, and we start to lose this 628 level here, we have a little bit of support here at the linear regression at 622. But if we start to lose that, we've got a lot of room to slide, another 15, 20 points to the downside. Obviously, once we start getting in this area, it's going to get very, very rocky and we could get back down into the fives. My opinion, personally, I don't think that we're going to go back into the fives this week. There would have to be a major rug pull on the triple Qs for Tesla to, go down 100 points in the next 2 days here. I'm an options trader. I do like to trade weekly. So for me, I got to go as close to the money as possible to get the bang for the buck, obviously, because if this starts bouncing around on me, my premium is going to start to get eaten up really, really fast. So I hope this video kind of helps you guys. If you're a long-term investor, don't really worry about it. This video wasn't for you. This is more for the day trader and or scalper and short-term swing trader. Obviously 700 break to the top side. Tomorrow, what we're going to be watching for is this area here around 648, 649, possibly for a slide into the 635s. Okay. That's the area of opportunity that we're looking for on the short side. If the market wants to push up and Tesla wants to get sneaky with us like it likes to do, 666 here, this number, I always feel like Tesla always trades around this funky number of 666. Tell me if I'm wrong. 666 here can get it going back into the 680s. Okay. If there's any kind of, strength in Tesla tomorrow where it just wants to shoot up like a rocket, possibly around that 666 area, it could get back up into the 678, 686 area. But guys, I do have a Discord. I like to post these chart breakdowns. Good group of guys in there. I think we were green. We traded DUK long. I don't even know what that is, but the chart looked good and it moved. We took about a point and a half out of that today. Visa long. And then we also had some killer shorts. Okay. We had shorts on Roku. We had shorts on Zoom. We also had shorts on AMC and GME. Okay. If you want, a little bit more help, I do have an online trading course. Can kind of help get you started, understand why I'm using all these crazy lines on my chart and what exactly they all mean. Discord is completely free. You can come in there if you want a little bit more access. There's a little bit more different features, but guys, if you don't want to join, perfectly fine. However, if you did stay and you are listening to me all the way at the end of this video, please like the video, drop me a subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Tesla, what it's going to do this week. Love to hear your guys' thoughts on that all the time. But I'm going to go ahead and put those links down in the description, guys, and I will see you guys all in the next video.